Only one way to find out, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, these tyres are cold. She's stepping up. Okay, a little further than that. You guys, it's just wah, wah, wah. Yes, my people, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a minute. It's actually been 6 months since I last recorded a long form video of anything to do with the M140. I've had loads going on, loads of shit problems with like the cars, and I've had health issues. Anyway, long story short, I'm back. I'm uploading regularly. I've put up shorts quite often as well. That helps with the algorithm and that, getting subscribers and whatnot, and showing content of what I'm doing. So the video of today is I'm doing a 20 to 70 run, which I've done before, but I want to do again once more before I fit today the TU pump, the famous TU pump that everyone puts on from the A90 Supras. So before I do that, yeah, I want to get these times. I've got all the draggies set up already, nice and quick, straight into it. And yeah, I want to see what I get. And I want to show installing the TU pump and doing the times afterwards, 20 to 70, see if there's a big change when I upload the Stage 2 Plus remap on MHD. So yeah, first run, we're gonna try now. Traction off, second gear. I've got a car behind me trying to think, what the fuck's he doing? Spinning. Okay, that was first run. Spinning the hell out of itself. So yeah, we're gonna try a couple more. Obviously, once you get heat into the tires, you know, you're gonna be getting more grip. The tires on the back aren't great. I need to do Pilot Sport 4S's or 4s, 5s, whatever, which I will do. But yeah, I'll skip to the second run. Right, we're gonna do the second run now. I'm gonna try and do lower speeds. Invalid, but better time. 4.6. I reckon the times will be sort of the same as before, but I just wanted to, you know, it's been a while. I ain't drove it in a while as well. Wanted to see if it actually gets the same sort of times. I'll come back on run 3. Once we get round this roundabout, I'm doing run 3. I think it should be valid on that section. Only one way to find out, you know what I'm saying? These tires are cold. She's stepping up. Okay, a little further than that. Right, we found a better spot. Should be getting around 4.5 seconds. Drop the gear, drop the gear. 3, 2, 1. Nah, way too much spin. Way too much spin. 4.7 verified, but you can see, guys, it's just wah, wah, wah. Yeah, allow it. Sorry about my impersonation of my engine, but yeah, the B58 just sings. You can't put budgets on a B58 with an LSD. Just don't go nowhere until you're doing 60 plus. But yeah, they're the times I'm going to show you lot. Just a little bit of information, bit of science from before and after. It might actually be worse, to be fair. If the TU actually gives me more torque and power like apparently they do, the times might actually be worse and I might not even see a 4.99. But yeah, one way to find out. I'll catch you guys when I'm fitting the TU pump.